Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator rear roller in the KitchenAid refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a 1/4-inch socket wrench, and a pair of needle nose pliers. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator rear roller. There are two identical rear rollers used in this refrigerator. These heavy-duty rollers allow the fridge to be rolled in and out for service and maintenance. Replace the refrigerator rear roller if it's broken or worn out. So we are at the back of the fridge, and to take out the access panel, we need to remove these all 1/4-inch screws using a 1/4-inch nut driver. We're going to start doing that. And now we're going to pull it out. As you learned earlier, we have two identical rear rollers on this fridge. I'm going to show you how to replace the left side because it's a little more complicated. Right, I need to lift up on this side, and for that I'm using the 2x4. Push up the fridge and slide it under. To get to the roller, we need to remove this shield, protective shield. And I'm using this socket wrench with a 1/4-inch head. And we can remove the shield now and get to this roller. So next I need to bend this tab down so I can slide out the pin. I'm using the needle nose pliers. And grab this tab and put it down as much as you can. Now I'm going to grab that pin with the same pliers, pull it out, and this roller is out. This is the old refrigerator rear roller next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, I'm going to slide in a new roller, and I'm going to place that pin in. And now I'm going to bend this tab back up using the same needle nose pliers. So we're going to grab it and bend it up so we can limit that pin and not allow it to come out. Next, I'm going to put the shield back on, and I'm going to secure it with a couple of 1/4-inch screws that we took out earlier using these 1/4-inch socket wrench. Don't tighten it yet. I'm going to place the second one first. Second screw comes in. And I'm going to tighten the first one. And now I'm going to remove this block. And don't forget to take your foot out. And now I'm going to install the access panel. I'm going to slide the bottom into the base here and match the holes. I'm using this 1/4-inch nut driver. I'm going to secure the panel. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.